got a Leblond Makino. It's a 19 by 150, new in 1986. Before I forget, I want to show this pallet of tooling. Everything's listed on the quote. That's a big bison 4-jaw back there. There's 3-jaw on it. I believe it's a 15 that's on it right now. This has taper attachment. It's got 2-axis digital readout. Here's your cross. It's a nice lathe. And the ways are they're not pristine, but they're not all galled up either. If there's one little knock on it, they took about a 1/4 inch, if that, an 1/8 inch deep by about 2.5 inches long. That's was that a part they needed to fit in there, which is a shame, but can't take it back. So, but otherwise, pretty dang nice. It's got 3 chip pans. It's got two e-stop buttons in the middle of the machine, which you don't see every day, but that's kind of a nice feature. Three and a 16th through hole. You want to try a thread or? There we go. Got the thread lead screw running here, and thanks for watching.